After testing 5 different AI video tools, one thing became obvious. Invideo isn't just another tool. It solves problems the others can't. With Invideo, you have 70 plus generative models all in one project. I can choose between images, video, audio, and music, and you switch seamlessly between them. And let's say that I want to create a video, I can choose the model that I want, for instance, Sora 2 Pro. I name the video project, let's say test video project, and here I described what I want to generate. For reference, I type this command, I gave a screenshot of my service, I did it 9:16, the ratio is 12 seconds, and I click generate. And Sora is going to create for me the video. A really impressive feature that Invideo has is the trends and viral effects. If I click trends, I can see all the trends that are right now on social media. Effects, VFX house, money shot, performances. You also have Minimax effects, BFCM trends, and Halloween trends. Also, Christmas karaoke. And here is the end result of the video, which is amazing, guys. Let's check it out.
At Vinrai, we believe passion fuels profits. Whether you're brand new to day trading or ready to master crypto, our on-demand courses, live trading rooms, and real-time signals give you the edge. Learn from pros, connect with an active community.
That's amazing, guys. And you may be like, okay, why not use FreePick? Or maybe why not use Artlist? Both FreePick and Artlist are limited in the models they offer. They have no integrated image and video workflow comparison with Invideo. You may be thinking also, what about OpenArt? OpenArt is good, but it has fragmented project system, which Invideo comes and solves this problem. And then you have Higgsfield, which is okay, but slower previews and limited templates for sure. With Invideo, you have centralized projects. All videos, images, and prompts stay together. Competitors require separate projects or tabs, which creates friction. With Invideo, you also have free image generation for a year, which encourages experimentation. Now, how Invideo works? You click the link down in the description, you create your account, and then you log in your account. When you log in, the first thing you do is select agents and model. You come down, click agents and model, and here you choose what agent and model you want. I can click see all to see all the agents and all the models, whether you want video, image, audio. Let's assume I want video like I did in the example before. Click Sora and create new project. And then you type the prompt and the video is generated like we've shown before. And that's a huge benefit from Invideo because other tools often require, logging into multiple accounts or even restarting workflows. Invideo's collaboration feature for teams inside the same project, it's amazing. And you have a lot of benefits as a user of Invideo. You have more creative freedom and faster workflow than the competitors we've showed. You save time switching between tools, tabs, or even accounts because everything is inside Invideo under one roof. And it's perfect for both creators and businesses producing multiple projects. And this is what I love. In Invideo, all assets remain organized inside a single project. Collaboration and team workflow are fully integrated. And you have also the built-in trending templates and effects, which reduce extra work compared to the competitors. Just click the link down in the description and get started today. Open agents and models and try generating multiple outputs. Compare it to another platform. You will immediately notice the difference in speed, organization, and creative flexibility. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.